In this video, we're going to show you how to build your own sales funnel using TaskPutty. Here's a quick refresher. What is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a visual representation of how customers flow through your business, starting as unqualified leads at the top of the funnel, exiting at the bottom as paying customers. In order to design an effective sales process, you only need to consider the most important steps that contribute to your sales results. While it's common to depict a sales funnel flowing from top to bottom, the stages in a sales pipeline can just as easily be arranged from left to right. Let's design our first sales process. First, you capture new leads. Then, after contacting each customer, you capture their requirements. Then, you send a formal written proposal. And then, you follow up on these proposals until the client either accepts or rejects the proposal. After you log into TaskPutty, notice the blue bar at the top. This is called the Tabs area. You can add a new process by right-clicking or using your computer's alternative click and selecting the Add option. You can add additional options such as deleting the current tab from the Global Options menu located at the top right. Now that you've created your first process, you can add steps to your process by clicking the plus icon. You can rename a step by clicking on its title and typing over it. Let's add the remaining steps of our sales process in the same way. Connecting your steps is just as easy by clicking on the blue dot and dragging the arrow until it connects to a pink dot of another step. Congratulations! You've just modeled your first sales pipeline process. Let's see how you would actually use such a sales process. You can create new clients by dragging cards from the card stack. And you can move customers through the various stages of your sales pipeline simply by dragging and dropping them. Admittedly, it's not all that useful to just capture the name for each customer. In the next video, we'll show you how to use our form designer to capture any fields you want per customer. Before we end this video, let's show you a couple more ideas for building your sales funnels. It's a good idea to create two separate end states for your leads. One for when the customers actually accepted the deals and closed successfully, and the other one for when the customer rejected your proposal and the deal did not close successfully. This makes it easy to quickly sort your leads by the appropriate stage in your sales pipeline. When designing your own sales funnel, consider which steps are important to your business. For example, it may be important in your business to have a confirmed customer deposit before a deal can be considered as closed. Or, if, in your organization, your sales staff is also responsible for after-sales care, it may be useful to track which deals are in the implementation stage and ensure that a customer satisfaction check is performed after the service is delivered. Now that you've seen the power of TaskPutty, it's time to let your own creativity loose. The question that every manager, business owner, or sales head has to ask is whether you want to fit your business into some existing CRM's sales funnel, or whether you want to mold the sales funnel to your business.